How to view all locked chat on WhatsApp web on PC. In this video, I'll show you how to view all locked chat on WhatsApp web on PC. So to view locked chats on WhatsApp web using your PC, you'll need to unlock them using your phone first, as WhatsApp web currently does not support unlocking locked chats directly. So go ahead and open your WhatsApp device on your mobile phone, and then go ahead and unlock your chats. And then go ahead and open WhatsApp web on your PC. Now you'll be able to view that specific chat on your chat list. And then open that specific chat. And then you can now read and reply to them from your WhatsApp web. So if you haven't signed into your WhatsApp account yet on your web, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your mobile device and then click on the three dots at the top right, and then you'll find link devices. So go ahead and click on it and then scan the QR code that would be shown on WhatsApp web.